I am strong. I am powerful. I am the best. What's up, my YouTubers? Blue with Claws here, and today's a trade we bought on my truck, and yeah, so before this video starts, please scratch the like button and subscribe, and let's do this. There's a reason I love this truck. As you can see, my truck is in audio speed, automatic, whatever, and you press the on button and you set the speed, and then you don't have to press the go pedals.
You don't have to press the gas.
No, you don't have to press the gas.
And on these hills it slows down and it speeds up. Good.
Let's see. Still the same speed. Okay. So she took the auto off, and now she is stepping on the gas pedal. Alright, that's the say for this videos today, and thank you guys so much for watching. And so please like and subscribe for more videos, and God bless you all. And Blue Wolf Chloe sounds how. You're